Great, and welcome to Writer's Workshop for today. Today we are doing a creative writing. Creative writing is where you get to use your own imagination and come up with a very interesting story. Now I gave you guys a prompt to get you started, and I am curious to hear how creative you guys can be. So today for our creative writing, we are finishing this prompt. If I were an elf that lived on a shelf, as you're writing through this, I want you to tell me where you would live, what you would eat, and 3 things you would do. I'll give you an example and then you can write yours on your own. Now, once you're finished, you may also add an illustration if you would like to help describe your story even more. Let me go ahead and give you an example. If I were an elf that lived on a shelf, I would live in the pantry. I love to eat food and sweets all day. My favorite things to do would be play in the flower when the family is asleep. I would also swim in the syrup after a yummy morning dinner, morning breakfast. The final thing I would always do is clean after myself. So they want to keep me in the house. So just a short story. Check back through to make sure you have capital letters and periods or exclamations at the end. Then underneath you could draw a picture of your elf. And maybe him, I'm going to draw mine swimming in syrup. Not the best drawer, but that's okay. All right, so that's how yours will look. Remember, you're making one up on your own. What would you do if you were an elf that lived on a shelf? Once you're finished, you can use the record tool to record your reading and finish your illustration. I'll be looking forward to listening to these later.